What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog kind of video. I've been liking these things, so if you guys like it, drop a thumbs up. We're monetized, so watch all the way through, watch the ads, it'll help us out greatly. I'm gonna start saying that a little bit more in the beginning, so you know, we're still growing it. My clutch is slipping again after I did that little pull from my brother's shop. And it wasn't even that good of a pull, man. I think the flywheel is just not keeping up or something. Like, it's just not feeling too good. It started slipping again after that. Drop your recommendations of stage 2 or 3 clutch, what I should get. Yeah, I guess I'll get it soon. About to wash the cars. This one for sure needs it. Bird shit all over, like it's disgusting, like honestly. Like, these motherfuckers be just shitting, dude. They just be shitting. What the f do they eat? Luckily this gets kept in the garage over there. It doesn't get, you know, shit on like that. I need to take off the shield because it's dragging. Get this shit connected and yeah, get to washing. I'm gonna do the engine bay a little bit too. Just gotta spray some shit. This one's a fucking work of art. You guys are gonna see how much cleaner this is gonna get. So much bird shit all over. Recommend you guys getting this foam cannon from Amazon. It was like 20 or 30 bucks. Yo, this shit works great. And then I got the $100 power washing. You know, it's been going good. Both cars are cleaned up. They're looking good. TSX is really looking good, but the rear cleaned up nice. It was like a lot of black staining and stuff right here. Hold on, there's a bus. Yeah, there was a lot of black staining and it cleaned up really nicely actually, which I am happy about. So the car's looking a lot cleaner overall. So is this one. I want to do a quick little update. Right now I'm about to go to the grocery store and get some condiments for burgers, so yeah.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
It is your boy Rish coming back with another fucking vlog video, man. It's like I can't be swearing like that because I'm monetized now, so we gotta start bleeping everything out and whatnot. Today I should be picking up my lip kit, see how that turned out and whatnot. Should be cleaning up the garage sometime. We also bought a TV mount so we can mount a TV in there and, you know, be kind of dope. Also need some suggestions on, like, you know, kind of TSX content you guys want to see or other content besides the TSX. More vlog, more day-to-day kind of things. Sorry guys for any extra loud noises in the garage right now. We're in the process right now of, you know, cleaning the shit out and whatnot, getting things a little bit more organized and getting the workbench in here. I'm probably gonna put it in that left corner. Go from there, clean it up, make it look good, get things organized more. More parts, guys. This came in the other day. It came in from David Wren. Hooked me up with a deal on a brand new J37 throttle body. Brand new. Gonna go real nicely with my RRC, which I do need to go get ported. So, you know, port match the outlet with the throttle body. Shut the fuck up! Yeah, here it is, guys. So, brand spanking new. It's pretty big. Shout out to David Wren for J37 throttle body. Appreciate you, man. I don't know if you guys like remember from last videos or something. I think I mentioned my clutch slipped one time. I did a pull and just did not like it from like first to second. I definitely feel like it's my flywheel that's lacking. Kind of another thing that makes me think it is this noise. flywheel, you know, spinning, because it's always kind of like rotating or whatever, but when you actually put it in gear, it's like pressed up against whatever and like fucking rotating. I don't know how the transmission shit works, but I just know it's like always kind of rotating, and when I have the clutch in and in gear, it just starts doing that. So definitely the flywheel's starting to make noise, which, you know, it's an OEM replacement part. I did that before in my car and the last one, and I don't know, I didn't like it too much. So I'm gonna have to upgrade, I don't know to what. It's on stage 2 or 3 to handle some boost power down the line. But yeah, another thing we gotta do, another project. So yeah. Ooh. So the garage is pretty cleaned up. Got the workbench in there. Do not mind that. But still gotta kind of organize and clean some things. Gotta put the drawers in. Clean up over here. It gets real dirty on this floor and dusty. Leave a like. Hey, if anyone wants plastic, that'll be $300. Yeah. We're on our way to my brother's shop again to go pick up the lip kit. It's painted and all that, so we'll check it out, see how it looks, and pick that thing up. Made it to the shop. You gotta see how my lip kit looking. Already hitting this shit. See that pearl already? Not too shabby. We're back home, picked up a lip kit. Looking pretty good. This whole car is gonna need a repaint eventually anyway. I need to see if I could try to revive the paint a little bit with some buffing and polishing. I need to go buy some so I can practice and do it and try it out. But I'm probably gonna have to raise the front up a little bit just because all the rubbing and hitting, and I don't want to f the thing up. I was thinking about getting a splitter, but I also don't want to drill any like self-tappers into a new front lip. So yeah, that's not fun either. So if you guys enjoyed the videos, leave a thumbs up. If you're excited for the build, subscribe, because there's gonna be a lot more content, a lot more to do, and we're gonna keep carrying on monetize. So watch the video throughout and let me know what you want for the giveaway.